So there is a lot of discourse that's going on right now on social media that pertains to blushing and transitional blush. Who owns it, who created it, all that good jazz. Painted by Esther has been a innovator when it comes down to the makeup community when showing how to wear specific tones on deeper complexions. Not only that, there has been other innovators and other creators as well too that has been pushing the forefront that us as a collective whole in general can be able to wear any color, any tone, any shade. And it's just simply on how you educate yourself or how you gain the knowledge to be able to apply the products. Esther is just one of the pivotal people within our community that has actually moved the needle when it comes down to actually addressing the fact that some blushes look crazy alone, but if paired well with other products and the right technique, you can create a nice flesh blush look. Now, Esther does not own any products that will help you perfect this technique. She simply uses other brands, tag the brand, and the brand either recognize her, give her love, repost her, give her shout outs or all that good jazz, send her products, all that good stuff as an influencer side or PR side situation. So she does not own a makeup brand to be able to say that she created this thing and now this product that she uses that is from her brand is the only way you can get it. With that being said, if you're not interested in getting the transitional blush that is being marketed right now, I do want to throw another name in the hat that you guys can also think about, utilize, and get a discount because I have a discount code with them, of course. I'm not going to lie to you, but I have a discount code with them, and that is from Morphe. Morphe has these cheek thriller products that has a cream matte finish, a illuminating finish, and then a powder finish. And if you pair two or more together, you can get that fleshed transitional blush situation going on. I currently have on 3 different colors, and the shades that I have on is Wine and Dine. This is a Merlot tone. I use the cream blush on the cheeks, and I also use the powder blush to set everything specifically in the back and in the lower portion hollows of my cheek. I follow behind it to give a little bit more of a transitional situation with Cabana Club, and I use this red tone to kind of like flush the apples of my cheeks and a little bit of the under eye area to be a little bit more on that redder tone, but very soft, light, whimsy. Then last but not least, I went in with Apres-Ski's, and I took the illuminating cream, the one in the center, and I popped that on the high planes of my cheeks to give myself a little bit of a glow and a little bit of illumination. But with that being said, these are just the 3 that I used to create this look. Morphe has not only 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. They have 9 different blush shades that you can choose from to create the look that you want to do with this transitional trend. And again, I do have a coupon link down below. If you guys are interested in picking up any of these products from Morphe, you get up to 20% off the whole entire website with my link. I did say that right. 20% off with my link, the whole entire website. So if you want to pick up 3 or more blushes, you get 20% off each blush. You want to pick up some brushes, you want to pick up some eyeshadows, you want to pick up anything from Morphe, the link down below will get you 20% off, get you some blushes so that you guys can be a part of the transitional blush trend and see that Morphe is nothing to be played with when it comes down to the products. These are bomb.com. And they look fire on my skin. So I'm going to hop off this video. Comment down below some of the other brands that you are interested in picking up or that you know about that creates this whole blush transitional situation. I'm eager to know. My name is SincerelyNiko, and I approve Painted by Esther message.